ISO-Chemie. Use the blue technology.
Welcome from the ISO-Chemie Training Center. Today, we would like to present to you another practical guide on the effective processing of PU foams. There is a wonderful substance called water. We would like to introduce you to its benefits by showing how you can use foams more efficiently. The idea is to show you how to make better use of foams in terms of their efficiency, uniformity, and speed so that your work is more satisfying. For this purpose, we offer various types of foams. One of them is our Elastiflex, a foam that remains even more flexible afterwards. Our Thermform B1 is for when it comes to fire protection, and our Thermform XL is for when you have a small can, tricky corners, but still want to reach everything well. Or we have our Blue Line series, which does not contain diisocyanates. That means we can't completely eliminate them, but we can significantly minimize the amount of free diisocyanates that are produced during the application of PU foams. This means that no diisocyanate training is required here. For all the others, you need to undergo the appropriate training. You can find information about the training on the FECA organization's website. The link will be displayed below. And for cleaning afterwards, please use PU foam cleaner, and of course, we need an application gun. It's fascinating how such small details can make such a big difference in achieving a perfect result. I hope this video has encouraged you to say, hey, when I use foam, I add water. Without it, as you can see, a layer forms on the outside. Inside, there's no more moisture, so at some point the foam collapses. We no longer have any thermal insulation, we no longer have any acoustic insulation. For comparison, an excellent result like here. You can see the efficiency is twice as high, the result is perfect, and remember, use the blue technology.